Hello mga Iring Banbanon, welcome back sa akong YouTube channel mga Iring Banbanon. For today's vlog, nandito tayo sa sa fish market in Dubai. Hello mga Iring Banbanon, welcome back sa akong YouTube channel mga Iring Banbanon. For today's vlog, nandito tayo sa sa fish market in Dubai. So you can see it's a lot of around of different fishes and the same sa atong Pasil, Cebu mga Iring Banbanon. So punta kayo dito sa fish market, mura lang and barato pa mga Iring Banbanon. So matagbaw mo sa iyong 20 dirhams mga Iring Banbanon. So ito ang laki ng fish market dito sa Dubai. So, mura lang mga Iring Banbanon. So, punta na kayo dito, visit na kayo, bili-bili na kayo ng isda, mga Iring. So, my friends, we are here in fish market and a lot of different kind of fish, mga Iring Banbanon. So, nandito tayo. So, it's like the same in Cebu City, in Pasil, but this is in Dubai, mga Iring Banbanon. So, tell about your fish market. Tell, my friend. Tell. How much lapu-lapu?
Lapu-lapu balik ke 10 dirham.
10 dirham is only 10 dirham. It's very cheap.
10 dirham. His price. Yes.
The cheaper one.
My shop is 7 dirham.
Alcara Ali Fish Stall, no? Mga Iring Banbanon. So ito. So this one, how much? This one?
Dito ang talakito?
Talakito, mga Iring Banbanon.
So, talakito ano ba yan?
So, ano ba yan? So, can you speak now?
Masarap mo, only mo 15 for kabayan. Siling mo 25 for kabayan kami customer.
So,
Only
describe my
15
YouTube
mo.
channel, mga Iring Banbanon.
Oh, sige, okay. Salamat po.
So,
Bye,
okay.
see you. Kaayo ang crabs. So oh my god, this is really big fish. Ito kaayo mga this is pugita. This is prawns, tiger prawns. How much kilo, my friend? 85. So 85 dirham. So expensive, mga Iring.
How are you?
Oh, so tell my
Bagus.
friend. So
Oui, bagus.
buy now, bangus. Bangus, how much the bangus?
Same price.
Same price?
Yes.
Oh my god, it's very, only 10 dirham? 7?
Same price, no?
So, punta tayo dito sa malaking isda, mga Iring. So, nandito tayo. Hello, say something to your fish.
How are you?
So, mga Iring, nandito tayo, Iring. So, mayroon sila, what is this, tuna? Mga Iring.
Tuna. There's some more tuna.
So, more tuna here. It's very cheap. So, nandito tayo sa fish market, mga Iring Banbanon. So, ayan. So, makita nyo, very cheap here. And very affordable, mga Iring Banbanon. And you can buy... Kung nakakita og caviar, mga Iring Banbanon, it's really big, no? The egg of the fish, mga Iring Banbanon, is really big, no? This is what we call caviar, mga Iring Banbanon. It's big. So, nandito tayo sa fish market, mga Iring. So, really, it's the same like in Pasil, Cebu, mga Iring Banbanon, mura lang. So, gusto ko buto-buto bilhin. Ito. So, punta tayo dito. My friend, not sampo, my friend. Not sampo.
How many kg?
No, later I'll come back, ha?
Okay, take.
No.
Okay, take. Hopefully good take, no problem. How many kg?
Tell me how much. No, tell me my vlog.
Huh?
Tell me my vlog. So, come your
Okay, 2 kg 15. Okay, 2 kg 15.
Yeah,
And one look inside.
so he want me to buy the ulo ng lapu-lapu and it's only 10 dirhams for 2 kilos and it's 5 dirham 1 kilo mga iringgan. Punta na kayo dito sa shop ni.
Okay, okay. Okay, how many kgs? How many kgs?
No, tell to someone. Tell to
Okay.
someone.
How much?
Because I'm vlogging. Yeah, mga iring.
Okay,
And,
okay. You come up, no problem. Discount, give me
Dagdag.
that.
So ito sabi niya daw, mura lang daw ang isda dito mga iring banban. It's only 10 dirhams and sa ulo ng lapu-lapu. So punta na kayo dito and pili kayo. Hanapin niyo si
Yeah, yeah.
what's your name?
Abdul Ghafoor,
Abdullah, and then the shop is number
Shop number 39,
39 and 40. So bili na kayo dito sa shop niya. So mura na lang ang inyong balon. So come and buy now.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Tayo sa Shell Station mga iring banban. This is
Hi.
what my friend, what is this my friend?
This is a laser canal.
Huh?
Laser canal.
So how much this one?
This one 25.
25 one pack.
One bag.
And this one how much?
This 2 kg. 50.
Mairing barato kay mairing 15?
2 kg.
15?
50.
50. So this one
35. Light.
35. 35. No, mga iring banbano. Kainin ka mga iring. So this one, what is this?
Oyster. Open. Nimu.
So this is oyster mga iring banban. How much per kilo?
One piece 10
One.
dirham.
So one piece mga iring banon is 10 dirhams only. So come now.
Big.
Shop number, what shop number? 26 and come here. It's all about the fish and whatever you want and very cheap. So this is the small one, the same?
7 dirham.
7 dirham, the small one of oyster. So kung sino ang gusto mag-oyster after this is really hot. So come here and buy now. Shop number 26 mga iring
No,
banban.
260.
260. Sorry, 260 mga iring banban is shop
No problem.
260.
How much budget?
Yeah, 260 shop. So naa sila ano mga iring banban. This is
Octopus.
octopus mga iring banban. How much kilo?
35.
Oh, it's expensive. Wow. So this one,
25.
it's only 25 mga iring banbanon, no? 25. May lobster sila kung gusto nyo. Lahat ng klaseng shell, different shells here. And what is this, my friend? Collabs? Clams. So this is clams. It's ready for it?
Return.
Really? And ito, malaki mga iring banbanon. Grabe. Super. So this is what we call this one, mga... What do you call this one?
Egg fish egg.
Egg? Fish shark.
Egg fish egg.
What tell? Tell to my vlog.
Fish egg.
Yeah, okay, invite them. Come to shop number 20.
260.
Yeah, come now and very cheap and you can ask discount
Yeah,
for
fresh
these
one
guys.
give you more discount.
Yeah, more fresh and more healthy mga iring banbanon.
Manila.
Manila. No, Cebu. So tell more. Nothing?
Tilapia bangus. Lapu-lapu Magellan.
Tilapia sila, lapu-lapu Magellan from Cebu. So this one is lapu-lapu mga iring banban. It's really cheap mga iring banban. Come here at 260 shops. Okay, tell. So, okay, how much per kilo, my friend? What is the name?
Sherry.
Cherry fish. So come shop number
251.
251 and 252, no?
Yes.
Come. And this one, guys. Tell to someone. This one is the tiger prawns, right? So how much per kilo, my friend? 105. So come here. This is big prawns, mga iring banban. Shop number. What the shop number? 239 mga iring banbanon. Lucky draw. So marami talaga isda dito mga iring. So I really enjoy to come here in fish market. And this is my second time around to visit fish market mga iring banbanon na enjoy ko. Kasi yung iba marunong mag-Tagalog dito mga iring banbanon.
Hi, ulit sagay.
So mag-ikot-ikot muna tayo. Kasi mura na lang isda dito. Sale na. So gusto kong bumili ng isda. So this is kingfish mga iring banbanon. So invite. So buy kingfish. How much per kilo?
Okay, this one,
Invite.
1 kilo 20.
Bring one. Show them.
Show the
Yeah, show. Get one. So shop number 245. The lucky number 245. Mga iring banbanon. Ito ang pinakamalaki na kingfish.
Kingfish.
And how much per kilo mga iring?
25.
It's only 25 dirhams, 1 kilo, and
Local,
it's
Dubai
really
fish.
Yeah, this is Dubai fish, and this is really fresh and good mga iring banbanon. So it's only 25. Oh, it's only 25 dirham. It's very cheap mga iring banbanon. Halos na pang bibigay nila yung mga isda dito. So mura na lang. So punta kayo ng 245 shop number 245. So ito
Section
yung
D.
nanalo. So ito yan. Oh.
Okay.
So, tell them once more. So, come here, 245 shop,
Section D.
Section D, and dito kayo makabili ng local fish, ng kingfish. No, this is kingfish, right? So, it's only Taniki fish. Yeah, it's only 25 dirhams mga iring banbanon. So, let's go around mga iring banbanon. Samahan niyo ako mga iring. So, mga iring, tatapos na akong bumili ng isda. So, it's really happy to come here sa wet market, sa fish market. And thank you so much for your watching my YouTube channel. And sa mga oras sa mantak na sa mga oras mga iring banbanon.
Follow. Yeah. Like and follow.
Sa mga oras sa mantak na sa mga lugar mga iring banbanon, punos kasagit o punos kalipay, ichika mo ilaglag natin. Shalala, bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching and God bless to everyone. Bye!